What's up, Bittorrent holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Bittorrent. My friends, in this video, we're talking about the BTT token. What's the current price of BTT? What's the price is coming soon this time in the BTT? My friends, people ask questions about Bittorrent that when will the price of BTT increase? So finally, friends, on the basis of my technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, the huge pump of the Bittorrent are coming soon, are coming on 6th June. Get ready for a 6th June as I show you on thumbnail. Anyways, first of all, we look the latest update, and after that we discuss that when will the price of huge pump increase. Please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel. If you are not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe now and like this video. My friends, the latest price of the Bittorrent at this time in the market as $0.004 USD dollar. That is the Bittorrent token price at this time in the market. Live you are watching now. You know what, my friends, at this time the BTT is going to the moon. From the yesterday, the price of SafeMoon is going upward, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the BTT, my friends. Last 1 hour, last 24 hours pricing is going positive. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the BTT, my friends. Only the last 1 week pricing is negative 4.31%. Last 1 week pricing is negative. So now it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction of BTT? Please share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.